Hi, I'm Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on the Fiamma Elektra BPL Combi boiler. And today's video is about partly commissioning and also the functionality of the unit along with the control panel. So what you've got, this is the flow pipe here. It comes down into the diverter valve here. So this is a diverter valve here, actuate motor. So one part for the heating, it diverts and goes to the flow. In hot water mode, it diverts to the plate, which you can see the plate heat exchanger. This is the hot outlet here, which then goes into this storage vessel. And then this is the hot outlet here, going towards the taps. Now to further boost this, what we need is this element needs to be on and energized to heat this storage vessel. If this is not on, then what happens, this hot water goes in the storage vessel. It then gets diluted and cooled down by all the surrounding water, which is cold, and then makes it cool and come out the hot tap cool. That's why we need this booster element on, and this is done by the programming settings here and also on the PCB. You can see JP9. This controls the hot water element at the bottom of the cylinder, as I just shown. This must be set in the right position for that to be activated. Also on this unit, I just want to bring to your attention is you can see that bar above the 38 degrees. That means that element is on and heating up this vessel. You can also see the flame light on, that means it's on as well. Where it's got shower, that means it's on instantaneous hot water. So they're the modes you need to leave it like this, and you know it's fully operational. So that's it for me on this video. If you've got any comments, I'd like to hear from you. So I'll see you on the next video.